Snack Pals make it easy and yummy for kids to get their daily servings of fruits and veggies. Let's show them how. How much of your plate should have fruits and veggies on it?
Maybe I would have maybe
You should have
1/7.
maybe about 6. A square of it?
a fourth to a half of the plate.
Half of it? Whoa, cool.
Wow.
I never knew that, but it looks delicious. Wowzers, this is so good.
Awesome.
With tons of nutritious combos kids love, Snack Pals make snack time fun time. Inspire a lifetime of healthy munching and fuel the fun with Snack Pals.